Welcome back to TechCrumbs. Today we're going to show you how to activate the portrait mode on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So first thing we have to do is open the camera, and when we are on the camera we can actually see here that we have photo and then portrait to the side. So all we have to do is slide, and when we slide to that it actually changes to the 2.5x lens, and it will actually tell you if something is, you see, move further away. So if I move further away and further away and further away and further away, it likes it to be very, very far away. So you would have to be really far away, and then it'll do the blur. Now it just activated it. So here it says move further away. Now suddenly it's turned on. So basically all you have to do is turn to portrait and then move far away from your subject. It actually tells you, and I don't know if it can do it. I can do it too on the normal lens. So it goes for default for the long lens, but as you can see now it's using the normal lens. It says 1 times, and that's how you activate the portrait mode on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.